So if you've got this bulb warning light coming on, it's a real tricky one, because I've checked all of the bulbs around the car. We go around the front and you've got your headlights, you know, we checked them, they're all working okay, but it's still on. The back lights all seem to be okay, reversing lights, everything else, the brake lights. But there's one that catches you out, caught me out for a little bit because I couldn't find it to start with. Should have known better. On the BMW, twin bulbs in the brake lights. So although we're pressing the brakes, this side's lighting up, the middle's lighting up, that side's lighting up, only one of these bulbs on the driver's side is lighting up. Took me ages to see it. You can just see there on the right hand side, one of them's not coming on. This is the LCI with the LED backlights. So let's whip this one out. It's driver's side, rear. Let's have a look and see if we can get that bulb out and sort the problem. So what we've got to do is get behind this panel here. This comes up when you remove the bottom, so we'll pull that out of the way. We'll get the rear luggage liner out of the way. And we should be able to pop the two little clips on the bottom here. There's one of them. This one's playing a bit more tricky. We'll have that out of the way. So here we go. This is the little light controller here at the back, the little cluster. If we can pop this out. So we've got a little tab at the centre there. We push the tab down and then pop that out. There's a little one at the top there as well. Just push that. That then comes out, and there we go. There's his bulbs. Look, that one there is really, really discoloured. This one's not much better. Look, this one is the blackness on the bulb there. That's the filament inside wearing away, and it sticks to the glass. The more black carbon that's on the glass just shows you that the filament inside is worn away quite a lot. I think I'm going to change both of these out. I might even do the other side. I'll swap both of them just to see if I can press this now, and you'll see that one of them isn't working. Let's just try it. Right, so let's have a look at these and let's see what we've got. So these are single filament, 21 watts. Let's go and bang a couple of new ones in. Push, twist, out they come. Okay, here we go. Two nice shiny new bulbs. Let's drop those in. One in there, one in there. And we'll just try it again just to make sure it's okay before we put it back together. Give the brake pedal a press. Beautiful daylight, look at them suckers. This has got the LED rear light clusters. So what you've got here is contacts leading to pins which are going off to the LED circuits. The only two bulbs that we have got are the two brake light bulbs. Yeah, which for me, I thought they were all LED. So let's drop that back in there. And we'll clip that back into place like so. Make sure that's all in nice and tight. And we can get the cover back in. Top end in first. You've got two little tabs on it, so we just drop them up there, lower that into place. Down there, and that one in there. Twist that one in. We'll drop the boot floor back in again. Covers up the little compartment. Again, sort of nose in first and then drop that down. I move my wire out of the way there, a little charging wire in case I leave the car for any periods, that's all that is. Just connects to the battery. Start her up, give it a press. Lovely, lovely. There we go. So it's a two-part thing. You've got LED on the top and then them two brake lights at the bottom. And even on the side light, you can see inside there, the two bulbs are now glowing dimly. So they're working on they work off a transistor that flickers at a massive amount of rate, so you can't actually see it with your eyes. If you could slow this footage down, you'd actually see that the bulbs are flickering and at half rate, which brings the brightness down to about a 10 watt bulb. Now let's have a really good close look at these bulbs, just to see if we can see inside there. That one is the one that's cracked. Look, you can see the filament's broken there. The other one is still intact. The filament is still whole, but you can see as I turn that, it's got a really dark patch on it, which is just the filament wearing away. And if we go back inside the car and we go for the switching it on and off again, there's no bing bonging going on. We've cleared that light, everything's good. So if you've been struggling with that light coming on, driving you insane every time you turn the car on, we now know that it's a possibility that it could be one of the twin bulbs at the back that's blown. We've changed it out, it's absolutely fine. If you enjoyed it, drop me some comments, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.